Sin inverse of 5 by 13 is equal to A. Then what you will get? Cos inverse 3 by 5 is equal to, consider it as B. Cos inverse of 84 by 85. Therefore, substitute the value of A. What is A? Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, the faculty of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the temple of excellence. In the previous classes, we have discussed regarding the problems based on trigonometrical functions, inverse trigonometrical functions. Now, in this session today, I am going to take few more problems based on the properties of inverse trigonometric functions. Now, let us start with this problem. What is to prove? This type of problems are very important for the point of examination. You will get at least one 3 marks question from this. Now, what is the problem given? Prove that sin inverse of 3 by 5 plus sin inverse of 8 by 17 is equal to tan inverse of 77 by 36. Now, let us convert this sin to tan and this sin to tan and use tan A plus B formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. You will get the answer. Very easiest problem. Let me start with, let us take this sin inverse of, let us put sin inverse of, let us take let sin inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to A. This implies sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Now you can substitute in a triangle. So here this is A, B, C. What is sin A? Opposite by hypotenuse 3 by 5. Find out the value of BC. BC is equal to root of AC square minus AB square. 25 minus 9, that's equal to root 16 is equal to 4. So, or you can use Pythagorean triplets 3, 4 and 5. So, from this find out the value of tan A. That is tan A. Tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, A is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. What is the value of A? Therefore, A is equal to sin inverse of 3 by 5. So, sin inverse of 3 by 5 is also equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. So, that is the first step. Let us consider sin to tan. Similarly, consider this sin inverse 8 by 17 to tan. That's it. Now, let us come to this again. Let us consider sin inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to A. Then sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Substitute here. What is sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse 3 by 5. Find out the value of BC. BC is equal to 5 square minus 3 square under root, that is 16 square of 16 is 4. You can use Pythagorean triplet also. So, tan A from this is equal to opposite by adjacent 3 by 4. Therefore, A is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. A, what is A? Sin inverse of 3 by 5 is also equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. Now, let us come to the second part. Now, the second part here is, let us consider this sin inverse 8 by 17 is equal to B. Then sin B is equal to 8 by 17. Again draw a triangle, substitute here. This is angle B. So let us consider PQR. A sin theta 8 by 17 opposite by hypotenuse. Find out the value of QR. QR is equal to root of 17 square minus 8 square. 17 square minus 8 square, 17 square 289 minus 8 8s are 64. This is 225. That is nothing but 15. So the value of this is 15. QR is equal to 15. Now find out the value of tan B. What is tan B from figure? Opposite by adjacent, that is 8 by 15. 8 by 15 or B is equal to tan inverse of 8 by 15. What is B? B is nothing but sin inverse. So, therefore, sin inverse of 8 by 17 is also equal to tan inverse of 8 by 15. So, one value sin inverse 3 by 4 is 3 by 5 is tan inverse 3 by 4 and sin inverse of 8 by 17 is equal to tan inverse of 8 by 15. Now, substitute this. Now, therefore, this given equation becomes LHS. So, for this sin inverse 3 by 5, substitute tan inverse 3 by 4. For sin inverse 8 by 17, substitute this value. I will go to the next page. LHS. What is LHS here? So, LHS is sin inverse of 3 by 5 plus sine inverse of 8 by 17 is equal to, this becomes tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse of 8 divided by 15 from the previous step. So, tan inverse 3 by 4, tan inverse 8 by 15. Now, this is of the form tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So, this can be written as tan inverse of x plus y 3 by 4 plus 8 by 15 whole divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 8 by 15. This can be written as tan inverse of, take LCM, 15 into 4 that is 60, 15 into 3 is 45 plus 8 into 4 32 divided by, again take LCM, 15 into 4 is 60, 61 into 1 is 60 minus 8 into 3 24. So this 60 gets cancelled. What is left over in the numerator? Tan inverse of 45 plus 32, that is equal to 77 divided by, in the denominator, 60 minus 24. 60 minus 24 is nothing but 36. So therefore, the answer we are going to get is this much. So this is equal to tan inverse of 45 plus 32. 45 plus 32 is equal to 77 whole divided by 60 minus 24 is equal to 36. So the required answer is tan inverse 77 divided by 36, which is a required RHS. So therefore the RHS here is tan inverse of 77 divided by 36. Tan inverse of 77 divided by 36, which is a required answer. Right. This is very important problem for the point of examination. Usually you may expect this type of questions for 3 marks. Now let us come to the next problem. What is the next problem? Same. Cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to cos inverse of 33 divided by 65. So this can also be solved using the same method. First convert, find out the value of cos 4 by 5, convert cos to sine, again convert cos to sine, and use cos a plus b or cos a minus b formula. You will get straight away the answer. Now let us take, let cos inverse of 4 by 5 is equal to a. This implies cos a is equal to 4 by 5. Now sin a, find out the value of sin a. You know the formula for sin a. Sin theta is also equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. Sin a is also equal to root of 1 minus cos square a. This is 1 minus cos a is 4 by 5. Cos square is 4 square is 16 divided by 25. So this can be written as 25 minus 16 is 9 by 25, or this is equal to 3 by 5. You can use Pythagorean triplet also. So cos of b, so cos of a, cos a is equal to 3 by 5. What is cos a? Cos a, yes, cos a is equal to 4 by 5, and this is sin a, not cos a, sorry, this is sin a. Now 9 by 25, that's equal to 3 by 5. Therefore, this is sin a. Sin a is equal to 3 by 5. Now, sin a is equal to 3 by 5 and cos a is equal to 4 by 5. Cos a is equal to 4 by 5. And the other hand, come to the this. Let us consider cos inverse 12 by 13 as b. This implies cos b is equal to 12 by 13. Find out sin b. Same formula. Sin b can also be written as 1 minus cos square b. So this is equal to root of 1 minus 12 by 13 whole square. 12 square is 144 divided by 13 square is 169. Take LCM. 169. 169 minus 144 is 25. So therefore this can be written as 5 divided by 13. Therefore the value of sin b is equal to 5 divided by 13. Right. See here, cos b is equal to 12 by 13 and sin b is equal to 5 by 13. Cos a is equal to 4 by 5 and sin a is equal to 3 by 5. Now since, what is the answer contains? Since it contains cos inverse and here the sin is positive, take cos a plus b formula. Using cos a plus b, we will get the answer. Now I will go to the next page. Now cos A plus B, we know that cos of A plus B, cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B, yes, minus sin A sin B, right. So cos A plus B is equal to cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Substitute the value of cos A cos B minus sin A and sin B. So what is cos A? Cos A is equal to 4 by 5, 4 divided by 5. And what is cos B? Cos B 12 by 13, 12 divided by 13 minus sin A. Sin A is equal to 3 by 5, 3 divided by 5 into sin B. What is sin B? Sin B is equal to 5 by 13, 5 divided by 13, right. Okay. See here, cos A cos B, cos A 4 by 5, cos B 12 by 13 minus sin A 3 by 5, sin B 5 by 13. Simplify this, you will get the answer. So 12 into 4, 48 divided by 65 minus 5 3s are 15 divided by 65. Take LCM, 65 is the LCM, 48 minus 15. What is 48 minus 15? This is equal to 33 divided by 65. What is on the left hand side? Cos A plus B. Now cos A plus B is equal to 33 divided by 65. Therefore, A plus B can be written as cos inverse of 33 divided by 65. Now substitute the value of A. What is A? A from the previous step. I will come to the previous step. So A is equal to cos inverse 4 by 5 plus B is equal to cos inverse 12 by 13. So this is equal to cos inverse of 33 divided by 65. That is the required answer. See, cos inverse of 33 divided by 65. Okay, this is very easiest method to solve the problem. Otherwise, you can use the formulas like sin inverse x plus cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is also equal to cos inverse of x into root of 1 minus y square minus y into root of 1 minus x square, or xy into root of 1 xy plus root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square. Like that, we have different shortcut formulas. You can make use of that also to solve this type of problems. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. What is the next problem? Same type. To prove that cos inverse of 12 by 13 plus sin inverse of 3 by 5 is also equal to sin inverse of 56 divided by 65. Same concept. Now let us consider this as A and this as B. Let cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to A. This implies cos A is equal to 12 by 13. Find out the value of sin A. Sin A. So sin A can be written as, if you want, put it in a triangle. So here, what is cos? Cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the remaining side? So if you call it as PQR, this is angle A. Then PQ is equal to root of 13 square is 169 minus 12 square is 144. This is equal to 25, square root of 25 is 5. So sin A is equal to 5 by 13. Similarly, come to this. Sin inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to, call it as B. What is sin B? Sin B is equal to 3 by 5. Find out cos B from this. So I will represent here. This is, say, again, let me call it as A, B and C. Suppose if this is an angle theta or B, then what is cos? So this is 3 by 5. Find out the value of BC. BC is equal to 25 minus 9, that is equal to 16. Square root of 16 is 4. Again 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. Cos B is equal to 4 by 5. Now substitute here. This equation becomes, now you can use this formula using sin of A plus B. Sin A plus B, you can use sin A plus B. What is sin A plus B? Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Right. Now substitute the value. What is A? Sin A is equal to 5 by 13 into cos B. What is cos B? 4 by 5 plus cos A. What is cos A? Cos A 12 by 13. 12 by 13 into sin B. What is sin B? 3 by 5. If you simplify, you will get the answer. That's it. So here, let me explain once again. Let us consider cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to A. Cos A is equal to 12 by 13. Find out the value of sin A. Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Just represent in a triangle and get the value of other side. So you will get PQ as 5. Again, sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, that is 5 by 13. Cos A is 12 by 13. Sin A is equal to 5 by 13. Again, consider this as B. Sin inverse 5 by 3 by 5 is equal to B. Sin B is equal to 3 by 5. Substitute here 3 by 5. Get the value of BC. It is 4. Cos B is equal to 4 by 5. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So, substitute here. Since this is sin and it is positive, take sin A plus B. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A is equal to 3 by 15. 3 by 15 into cos B. Cos B is equal to 4 by 5 plus cos A. Cos A is equal to 12 by 13 into sin B. Sin B is equal to 3 by 5. Simplify this, you will get the answer. Okay. So, I will go to the next page. Sin A plus B is equal to 5 by 13 into 4 by 5. 5 by 13 into 4 by 5 plus 12 by 13 into 3 by 5. 12 by 13 into 3 divided by 5. 3 by 5. Okay. Now, simplify this. 5 4s are 20 divided by 16. 13 5s are 65 plus 12 3s are 36 divided by 65. Take LCM. 65 is LCM. 20 plus 36 is equal to 56 divided by 65. What is this? This is sin A plus B. Now, just only A plus B is equal to transfer sign. This is sin inverse of 56 divided by 65. Now, substitute the value of A and B. What is A and B from the previous page? A is equal to cos inverse 12 by 13. Sorry. Yes, 12 by 13 plus what is B? B is equal to sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to sin inverse of 56 divided by 65. This is the required answer. See, sin inverse of 56 divided by 65. This is how we are going to find the value. Very simple. Just consider sin. If it is sin is given, convert to cos. If cos is given, convert to sin. Make use of sin A plus B or sin A minus B, cos A plus B or cos A minus B. Simplify, you will get the answer. Okay. Now, let's come to the next problem. Same type. What is given here? Tan inverse of 63 by 16 is also equal to sin inverse 5 by 13 plus cos inverse of 3 by 5. This is to be proved. Now, let us consider this as A and B. Convert it into tan. That's it. Now, let us come to this. Let sin inverse of 5 by 13 is equal to A. Then, what you will get? Sin A is equal to 5 by 13. Substitute in a triangle. This is a triangle. So, sin theta is equal, this is theta. Opposite by hypotenuse 5 and 13. Find, suppose if we call it as PQR. Then what is QR? QR is equal to root of 13 square is 169 minus 5 square is 25. So, 169 minus 25, that's equal to 144. Square root of 144 is 12. Find out the value of, straight away go to the tan. What is tan A from this? Tan A opposite by adjacent, that is 5 by 12. That means A is equal to tan inverse of 5 by 12. What is A? A is nothing but sin inverse. So, sin inverse of 5 by 13 is also equal to tan inverse of 5 by 12. This is the first step. Followed? See, listen to me here. So, let us consider the sin inverse 5 by 13 is equal to A, which implies sin A is equal to 5 by 13. So, opposite by hypotenuse, substitute in a triangle, opposite by hypotenuse, opposite is 5, hypotenuse is 13. Find out the adjacent. So, adjacent QR is equal to 169 minus 25, root is 144, square of 144 is 12. Find out the value of tan A. Tan A is equal to 5 by 12. So therefore, sin inverse 5 by 13 is also equal to tan inverse of 5 by 12. Similarly, find out the value of the second one. Let cos inverse 3 by 5 is equal to, consider it as B. So then what is cos B? Cos B is equal to 3 by 5. Substitute in a triangle. Same, call it as PQR itself, and this is angle B. Then what is given? Cos theta opposite by adjacent by hypotenuse. Find out the value of PQ. This is equal to 5 square is 25 minus 9, 16. Square of 16 is 4. Again, you can use Pythagorean triplets. Now, find out the value of tan B. Tan B is equal to 4 by 3. Only B is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. What is B? Cos inverse. Cos inverse of 3 by 5 is also equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. This is how you are going to convert sin to tan, again cos to tan. Followed? See here, let us take cos inverse 3 by 5 is equal to B. Cos B is equal to 3 by 5. Substitute here, you will get another side. So then tan B from the triangle is 4 by 3. B is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. Sin inverse 3 by 5 is also equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. Now take RHS. I will go to the next page. RHS. What is RHS? Sin inverse 3 by 5. Sin inverse 5 by 13 plus cos inverse 3 by 5 is equal to, this is equal to tan inverse, again this is equal to tan inverse. What are the things you are going to get? Tan inverse 5 by 12, this is 5 by 12. On the other hand, tan inverse 4 by 3. Now, again this is of the form tan inverse x plus tan inverse of 5. This is equal to tan inverse of 5 by 12 plus 4 by 3 divided by 1 minus 5 by 12 into 4 by 3. So this is equal to tan inverse, take LCM, 12 3s are 36, 5 3s are 15, 12 into 4, 48, whole divided by, again 36 is the LCM, 36 into 1 is 36, minus 5 4s are 20. 36 and 36 gets cancelled. This is equal to tan inverse of 48 plus 15, 8 plus 5 is equal to 3, 4, 5 and 6, 63 divided by 36 minus 20 is 16. So 63 divided by 16. 63 divided by 16. See the RHS? 63 divided by 16. So this is the required RHS. That's it. Followed? Hope you followed this also. See, sin is converted to tan. Tan inverse 5 by 12. Cos inverse 3 by 5 is also equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. Substitute here. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Take LCM. 12 into 3 is 36. 5 3s are 15 plus 48 divided by again 36 LCM. 36 1s are 36 minus 5 4s are 20. Gets cancelled. 15 plus 48 is 63. 36 minus 20 is equal to 16. That's equal to tan inverse of 63 divided by 16 is the required RHS. Followed? Very important and very easy. Now let us come to the next problem. So this is also an important problem. What is the problem given? Sin inverse of 3 by 5 minus sin inverse of 8 by 17 is equal to cos inverse of 84 divided by 85. So this can also be solved using the same concept. Let me come to the problem. Now let us consider this as, let sin inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to A. Then this implies sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Find out the value of cos A. Cos A is equal to, you can write root of 1 minus sin square. 3 square is 9 divided by 25. Or cos A is equal to 25 minus 9 is root 16 by 25. That's equal to 4 by 5. You know the Pythagorean triplets. You can use that also. Sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Then cos A is equal to 4 by 5. Let's come to this part. Sin inverse of 8 by 17 is equal to B. Then sin B is equal to 8 by 17. Find out the value of cos B. Cos B, root of 1 minus sin square B. That is root of 1 minus 64 divided by 70 square, 289. So take LCM, 289 is the LCM. 289 minus 64. This is equal to 225 divided by 289. This can be written as 15 divided by 15. This is equal to square root of 225 is 15 divided by square root of 289 is 17. So 15 by 17. Right. Followed. So what is the problem given? What is required to find is cos inverse of cos inverse. Now let us make use of, since this is negative sign, make use of cos A minus B formula for this. We know that cos A minus B, using cos A minus B, cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, now substitute the values. What is cos A cos B plus what is sin A sin B from the previous page? What is cos A? Cos A is equal to 4 by 5. This is 4 by 5 into cos B. What is cos B? 15 by 17. 15 by 17. Plus sin A. What is sin A? Sin A is equal to 3 by 5 into sin B. What is sin B? Sin B 8 by 17. Okay. Now simplify this. 15 into 4 is 60 divided by 17 5s are 85 plus 8 3s are 24 divided by 5 into 17 is 85. Take LCM, 85 is LCM. This gets cancelled. 60 plus 24. 60 plus 24 is nothing but 84 divided by 85. So what is this? Cos of A plus B is equal to 84 by 85. Therefore, A plus B can be written as cos inverse 84 by 85. Now substitute the value of A. What is A you have taken? A is equal to sin inverse 3 by 5. So this is sin inverse of 3 by 5 plus what is B? B is equal to sin inverse of 8 by 17. Sin inverse of 8 by 17 is equal to cos inverse of 84 divided by 85. This is the required answer. Okay, see here, just use cos A minus B. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A 4 by 5, cos B 15 by 17, sin A 3 by 5, sin B 8 by 17, 15 4s are 60 by 17 5s are 85, 8 3s are 24 divided by again 17 5s are 85, 85 is LCM, 60 plus 24 is equal to 84 divided by 85. Now cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is cos A minus B is equal to 84 divided by 85. 84 by 85. Only A minus B is equal to cos inverse of 84 by 85. Therefore, substitute the value of A. What is A? A is equal to sin inverse 3 by 5. Sin inverse of 3 divided by 5 minus what is B? B is equal to A sin inverse 8 by 17. Sin inverse 8 by 17. This is equal to cos inverse of 84 divided by 85. This is the required answer. This is what we want to get. Okay. Hope you are following this. So this is how we are going to solve this type of problem. Okay. Now suppose in general, if you have a problem like this, so I will give the shortcut method to solve this problem. Suppose if it is like this, what is the problem given here? Sin inverse x minus sin inverse of y. Let me take this problem. Sin inverse x minus sin inverse of y. This can be written as, so if you want cos, so this can also be written as sin inverse of x minus sin inverse of y is also equal to cos inverse of, what is the formula we are going to use here is x into root of 1 minus x square, yes, Sin inverse x minus sin inverse y can also be written as cos inverse x into root of 1 minus y square plus y into root of 1 minus x square. So using this formula you can solve this problem also. See, what is x? X is equal to 3 by 5. What is y? Root of this is y. This is y. 8 by 17. Root of 1 minus 8 by 17 square. 8 by 17 square you will get 15 by 17. So this is x. X is equal to 3 by 5 and 15 by 17 plus y. What is y? Y is nothing but this is y. What is y? 8 by 17 into root of 1 minus x square. You can use this formula to solve this problem. Sin inverse of x minus sin inverse of y is also equal to cos inverse of x into root of 1 minus y square plus y into root of 1 minus x square. This is the easiest method and the simplest method to solve this problem also. Cos inverse of 84 by 85. The required answer is cos inverse of 84 by 85. That means sin inverse 3 by 5 minus sin inverse 8 by 17 is also equal to cos inverse of 84 by 85. This type of problems can also be easily solved using the formulas. There is a relation for sin inverse x minus sin inverse y is also equal to cos inverse of x into root of 1 minus y square plus or minus y into root of 1 minus x square. Using that formula also you can solve this type of problems. Okay, that is the shortcut method to solve this problem. Now that's regarding the problems based on the properties of inverse trigonometric functions. Now that's all for the day. We'll meet again in the next class. That's all for the day. Thank you very much. Meet in the next class.